We're back in the white shed today that I'm going to be using primarily for woodworking and for yard storage. I have all of my batteries set up over there. I'm going to be engraving these blocks, and I need to process a bunch of these wood blocks before I put them in the engraving. And right now, this is a little bit of a mess up, but it's towards the positive. There's all my camping supplies and my chairs. I got my drill press set up over there, and then I need this table today to be operational. So at the end of this video, there's going to be two nice lights, and I'll be able to stand stuff, and I'll eventually put shelves. That'll be for another video. I have it in a previous short video why I have a big screen TV in here, and it's kind of funny. I could have set them back a little bit from the top of the roof, but this gets me going. All I have to do is change those screws and move them back, but I don't want these lights in my eyes. Is like that light is in my eye, so that needs to be lowered, because for the table saw all I have to do is get the wood from here through there. Again, all I'm trying to do is process these blocks for making wood engravings. The next thing I'm going to do is get the monitor to work, because it's going to be for workshops and for live shows, and I'm going to clean off this table. It's pretty humid outside. I don't know what temperature it is, but this is just work I just need to get done, and I'm doing it, man.